What's up, squad? First things first, since this is the video that is about Trifina's gift, I'm actually not recording it. I'm recording it the day I made the Blazes Back video, but I won't post this until Trifina gets her gift, and I hope she enjoyed her gift, because it was kind of difficult to work on. I know it was late. I'm sorry. Okay, first things first. This is a sketchbook. You know, those hardback sketchbooks that plain base. It's gray. You know, this is the type of... you can hear that? It's that hardback stuff. My first question is, when going for this project, my first question is this the texture of canvas? Can you paint on it? Technically, you can paint on a lot of things, but can you paint normal, like regular acrylic paint? Can you? Technically. So, and then my second question was, can you do line work on it? Both answers are yes. I'm not going to show you the picture that I drew yet. I'm just going to go through the process and show you some new paints that I got. If I can find them. Oh, right here. This is called Golden Artist Colors. This is a level 3 acrylic paint. This set right here was $15 to $20, and it only has 6 colors. So it's pretty expensive, but it's good quality paint. The paint that I have been painting with before that is this. I'm not gonna pull it out. It's tube, the level 1 tube paint. It's still okay quality, and it's very affordable, but it's not the best. So I'm probably, as soon as I can, I'm probably gonna be switching over to level 3. Sorry, it's upside down. Level 3 paints like this, and level 3 paintbrushes. Possibly. Well, I don't know. I have some good paintbrushes right now. I might not upgrade until they're too worn out. Sorry, I don't like it when my camera gets dusty, and it's all kinds of dusty right now. So, but yeah, I have some good paintbrushes and some good paint now. And hopefully I'll get better projects out with that. I have a whole bunch of new canvas right now, so paintings will be happening more often, and they will be for sale. I am practicing with my wood burning some, or I will be soon. I have been trying to work with my rotary carver, but this one's kind of complicated because I don't know, it just doesn't have a lot of power to it, so I might be getting a new rotary tool as soon as I get more money, and as soon as that happens, as soon as I get a new rotary carver, I'll do wood sculptures, and actual wood carvings better than what I have been doing. So yeah, but yeah, let's talk about this project. So when thinking about this project, I had to not only, like I said, think about if this was paintable and stuff like that. I had to think about what she likes, because I just met her last year, I think, and because Mom had no contact with her family for a while, so we couldn't contact her, and I haven't been the best of keeping in contact with my sister. I apologize for that, by the way, Trapina. So, I'm just not good at talking to people, and I don't know how to be brotherly to someone I haven't, grew up with. All of my other siblings from my father's side have the same problem. I just can't. I can't talk to them. It's not that I can't talk to them. It's just that it's like a nervous thing. It's just hard to go and text, and I'm not a phone person, which sucks. But yeah. So I had to figure out what she likes, and I know she liked anime, but I didn't know which one was her favorite. And then I saw on her Instagram that she had at least one picture of this show called crap. I can't remember the name of it. It's about, it's like something Psyche K or something like that. Psyche K is the character. He's a psychic, and he has all kinds of powers and stuff like that, and he just wants to live a normal life, but blamp. And all the people around him just makes his life hectic, and it's a great show. Now, and I saw a picture of Psyche K on her Instagram, so I was like, perfect. That's a good anime. I like anime too, and I think it would be great to do this. Well, I knew she liked all kinds of other animes, but I didn't know which one was her favorite, so I just went with one that she posted. So here's the picture. I'm about to turn this thing around, and I'll give you another story about what I was going to do on the back, but then decided that would be too much. But yeah, here is Psyche K. This is an actual painting with this paint that I've been talking about. Oh, set that down again. This is an actual painting on this canvas book. This is Psyche K eating his favorite food, dessert, coffee jelly. So you got the plate right here and the jelly, and he's got a spoonful of it in his mouth. But yeah, this is Psyche K. If you haven't seen him, I would suggest watching this show. It's on Netflix. They got two. They're pretty great. And on the back, I was going to draw. Hold on. After I painted him, I did line work. I traced all the black lines with pen, and I think it looks good. So, and then I covered the gray part with plastic wrap or something to make sure that the spray wouldn't get on it, because we were trying to keep this gray part matte, and we sprayed down the picture itself so it wouldn't get messed up. So it's got a protective layer on it, which is good. And yeah. And on the back, I was going to draw Nindo, Psyche K's supposed best friend. Nindo on the back, go asking where his buddy was, because that's what he does a lot. And it would have been great, but I decided that would have been too much. So I didn't. Painting him was actually harder than I thought. Mostly because I've never painted a character before. So trying to get the shading and blending and stuff like that done was difficult. Getting the face paint color with these colors was a little bit difficult too, especially there was just a lot of problems, honestly. Like, meh. But I got it, and I even got this in that color. I got all of this is from these paints. Red, yellow, blue, and green, and black and white. So, and I think it came out great, personally. So, that's that's her project that I did for her. And there's a box full of other presents in that will come with this book. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Aunt Maya did something for you. I'm not gonna do a video. I'm not gonna talk about that in this video because I didn't do it. And I want everything to be a surprise. Like I said, I'm not posting this video until you get it, Jafina. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed your gifts. So yeah. I'll talk to y'all later. Boy.